Namaste. Namaste. Myself JVN. Myself JVN Korpuyal from the Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic in the discipline Radiology. Uh, Today we are going to discuss on the session TLD, thermoluminescent dosimeter. That is a personal monitoring device. That is a useful topic of session for general radiation physics second in the BSc RT second. Let me discuss about the thermoluminescent dosimeter. The primary form of personal radiation monitoring device or dosimeter. Thermoluminescence is the emission of light by heat. When these discs are heated, there is emission of light after heating. TLD measures ionizing radiation exposure by measuring the amount of visible light emitted from a crystal in the detector when the crystal is heated. So it is a radiation measuring device, a radiation monitoring device. The most commonly used thermoluminescent phosphor are lithium fluoride, calcium fluoride, lithium borate, calcium sulfate. These are the material that is used as a TL phosphor in TLD. They are usually manufactured in the form of chip. First one is 3.2 mm square by 0.9 mm thick. Second is in the form of pellet, small rod powdered in the form of powder. Lithium fluoride exhibit suitable characteristics and is commonly used in dosimetry. So lithium fluoride has the suitable characteristic for radiation monitoring. Why lithium fluoride is used as a TL material, TL phosphor material. LIF atomic number is lithium fluoride atomic number is lithium fluoride atomic number is atomic number gives suitable characteristic for TLD material or TLD material, which is near to the atomic number of soft tissue. Then silver, Z is equal to 47, can store energy during exposure to ionizing radiation. So lithium fluoride can store energy during exposure by X-ray and subsequently release it as light when heated. Body of TLD used for X-ray plus gamma ray and beta radiation, measured thus to the whole body and skin. Body TLD comprises TLD card, wrapper, holder. Means the TLD disc or TLD thermoluminescent dosimeter consists TLD card, wrapper, holder, and whole body skin doses are measured in the TLD dosimeter. Pellets, thicker element, strongly penetrating, thinner element, weakly penetrating, covered front plus back with thin retaining layer, poly tetra fluoroethylene. Card, barcoded card, wrapper, aluminum polyester, protect dosimeter from contamination, chemical plus dirt. So wrapper protect the dosimeter from the chemical and dirt contamination. Holder, thicker filter, cover thick element, circular open window, covered thin element, and a rectangular open window viewing the wearer information test. Printed wearer information include serial number, worker, name, change date. TLD dosimeter, lithium fluoride, calcium fluoride dysporium, aluminum oxide, calcium sulfate dysporium, calcium fluoride, manganese. Whole body TLD, dose range 0.02 millisievert to 10 sievert, change interval standard period 1 to 3 month, period of 2, 4, 8 or 13 week also available. The TLD gives a measurement of dose absorbed in the TLD in milligray with an accuracy of about 10%. However, what we need to know is not the absorbed dose in the batch but the deep equivalent dose HP 10 in millisievert in the tissue. TLD work by storing the energy they receive from the ionizing radiation until they are heated to high temperature around 250 degrees centigrade at a reader. On heating, the absorbed energy is released in the form of visible light. A plot of light intensity emitted against temperature is known as glow curve. How it works? Operate by a store E received from IR image receptor. Energy released in the form of photon by heating 250 degrees centigrade. Light is collected and measured. Next, the amount of light being proportional to the radiation dose that is received in sievert. TLD reader. Heat up the TLD using nitrogen gas to 50 degrees centigrade. Detect the resulting light emission. Calculate the radiation exposure. Restores the TLD to the original condition. Thermoluminescent glow peak that results from heating an irradiated TL. Thermoluminescent. Incident radiation elevates electrons to trapped state. When exposed to heat, electron return to the ground state, releasing light. Light can be measured and used to determine amount of radiation equivalent dose. Means when a radiation is exposed to the TLD disc or TLD dosimeter, the electrons that are excited is trapped in the forbidden zone F center. When the heat or energy is provided to the TLD disc, then the electron return to the ground state and a light is emitted that is collected by the PMT and by a relation dose is measured. Dose recording. Dose is usually monitored every month. Expired TLD is sent to the ARV for evaluation. Records of doses received sent back to the Oman should be no greater than 0.5 millisievert per month. Maximum annual dose limit is 20 millisievert. Special feature: the detection limit of dosimeter under laboratory condition is less than 10 microsievert. TL glow curve of all dosimeter reading are kept at least 5 years. Extremity TLD. The dosimeter are designed to measure doses from X-ray, beta and gamma radiation. Gamma radiations to the skin of the extremities in terms of radiation quantity. Bone on the fingers are trapped to the ankles to measure the external equivalent dose to the extremities, hands, forearm, feet and ankles. Extremity TLD are designed to measure beta radiation at a depth equivalent to that of the sensitive facial layer of the skin, about 0.3 mm. Small disc of lithium fluoride which are sealed in plastic holder. The holder shields the TLD from a lower energy beta 70 keV and less, which cannot penetrate to the basal layer. When the wear extremity TLDs. Whenever you handle unshielded beta sources, when working with the whole body shielded except for the hand, when handling small non-shielded gamma sources for decontamination job when beta contamination is present. For iodine source operations, the minimum detectable dose for the TLD ring is 30 mg for X-ray and gamma rays, 40 mg for energetic beta radiation. Both the body and the ring bases to not detect radiation from beta emitters with energies less than 250 keV. To avoid contaminating your ring bases when using open source, wear your ring under the gloves. Extremity TLD, the dose range is 0.15 millisievert to 10 sieverts. Change interval standard period of 1 to 3 months. Period of 2 for 8 and 30 week also apply. Advantage: the lithium fluoride is almost tissue equivalent. No darkroom processing chemical required to obtain a result. Small in size, reusable, high sensitivity, 50% low doses, 3% high dose. They can be used to measure dose over a long period, month or even a year. Excellent resistance to environment like temperature and humidity. Can distinguish between type of radiation by using different lithium isotopes. Disadvantage of TLD. Disadvantage of TLD: reusable, stored signal is clear. The process of reading out eliminates the dose effect, so it can only be done once, not permanent record. Dust on the detector will glow when heated and will be recorded by the phototube as a false reading. The TLDs are sensitive to exposure by ultraviolet light and therefore must be sealed in a light tight case. Guidelines for use: never share your badge or wear another personal badges. Do not intentionally expose badge to radiation. No matter how curious you are, do not wear your badge when you receive a medical X-ray or other medical radiation treatment. Your badges are intended to document occupational dose, not medical dose. Storage: store your badge in a safe place at work rather than at home. Be sure to store badges away from the source of radiation. If you store your badges clipped to your lab coat, make sure that your lab coat or any other lab coat near it is not contaminated. Store your badge away from source of heat. Some badges such as TLD show some sensitivity to the environment factor like heat. For example, badges left in cars over cool summer weekends may give false exposure reading. So in this session we have discussed about the TLD reading and the time of measurement and the duration in which the TLD is provided for a radiation worker. In this session we discuss about the TLD radiation dose range that TLD measures and the TLD working principle. When TLD is heated, the TLD disc gives a measurement of radiation dose. So it is a personal monitoring device and it uses at low radiation doses, but it is provided for 3 months by the ARB Atomic Energy Regulatory Board and developed by the ARB. After 3 months exchange by the ARB and Atomic Energy Regulatory Board of Hawaii Atomic Research Center will provide you a radiation dose measurement. So in this session, I think you are satisfied with this session. If you have any queries, then put it into the comment box. I'll resolve it. I will resolve it later. Thank you. The session is over. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 JWU support. very much.